Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. And today is the Diwali, and happy Diwali to all of you again, my old friends. This is the Diwali bumper analysis for educational purpose, Diwali to Diwali. This is the date 4/11/2021. And I am going to analyze on 4 stocks, Larsen and Toubro, ABB, Heritage Foods, and CRM Silk Mills. These are all 4 stocks looking good to me for Diwali to Diwali. That is why I share this 4 chart analysis through this video in this Diwali occasion. And these 4 stocks looking good for the next 1 year. That is why I give this name to Diwali to Diwali. And hopefully you all enjoy the Diwali and enjoy the good trading also. And please watch the full analysis on 4 stocks and enjoy this Diwali and through this year with a healthy and wealthy also. Let's go to chart, my friends. This is the first chart of the Larsen and Toubro. This is the first target of the Larsen and Toubro 2041 levels. First target. Then second target will be 2418. And third target 2794. And next target will be 4000. This is the 4 stock for 4 resistance levels or 4 target levels, and the support levels is 1660 to 1550 levels. This is the support levels for the Larsen and Toubro, and target will be 2041, 2418, 2794, and 4000 levels. Larsen and Toubro resistance 2040, 2418, 2794, and 4000 levels. Support 1660 to 1545 levels. This is the support levels, and this is the 4 resistance levels for the Larsen and Toubro, and this for the through this year for the 1 year perspective. And second is ABB. Resistance is 2975, 4342 levels. Support is 1646 to 1570 levels. This is the ABB chart. This is the breakout all-time high and resistance of the multi-year resistance breakout. Now its trading is the first resistance level. Also, if it cross this 2124 levels, if when it's cross and sustain above that levels, then next target is 2974 and then 4342 levels. Support is around 1646 to 1570 levels. This is the support levels, and the target levels is 2974 first target levels and then 4342 levels, or you can say 4340 levels. This is the ABB chart for the 1 year perspective. So ABB is 2975 and 4342, and support levels is 1646 to 1570 levels. And next good stock is Heritage Food is one of my good stock, and I like this chart. This is resistance is 4670, then third resistance is 825, and then 1000 levels. Support is 420 levels. Let's go to chart. This is the Heritage Foods chart. You all see it's showing the rounding bottom formation, and it's a very good formation. You just see in the weekly chart, and this is the 670 levels, first resistance levels, then 750, 825. This is the 825. This is the second resistance levels, and then first resistance is 670, or you can say target levels is 670, then 825 is the second resistance levels, and third is 1000 levels. This is the three target levels, and support levels is 420 levels. If 420 levels decisively broke, then we have to close our trade. And this chart also looking good to me. That is why I shared this chart to all of you. This is the Heritage Food. And this for the next year, for the whole year perspective, for a long-term perspective. And the fourth stock is Siaram Silk Mills. This Siaram Silk Mills also looking good to me. And 570 to 600 is the first target levels or resistance levels, and then 750 levels. And support is 362. Let's go to chart, my friends. First target levels is 570 to 600 levels. This is the first resistance levels or target levels. Then 750 levels. This is the 750 levels Siaram Silk Mills. And this chart also looking good to me. That is why I shared this chart. This is the rounding bottom formation. A head and shoulder breakout is also there. So this chart is looking good to me with a good rounding bottom formation. This is the next target levels is the 570 to 600. And if this 600 levels decisively cross and sustain above that levels, then 750 levels is the next target levels for the Siaram Silk Mills. And this is the for the 1 year perspective also. And this chart is also looking good. That is why I share this chart to all of you. This is the daily chart. And this is the weekly chart is also a rounding bottom formation. And this is the monthly chart also showing that same thing. So all chart is looking good to me. The longer term perspective. So Siaram Silk Mills also a good stocks for the longer term perspective. For 1 year perspective, you can say. You can say this fourth chart. You can say fourth chart. Stock chart is looking good to me for 1 year perspective. For Diwali to next Diwali, and this stocks gives a good return in near future, like my previous year. I share this chart, and this year I share fourth chart with all of you in the Diwali day. And Diwali to Diwali next this Diwali to next Diwali perspective. And hopefully you will benefit from my analysis. And if you like my analysis and benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. So Larsen & Toubro, ABB India is the also a good stock. Larsen & Toubro for the coming infra project. ABB is looking good. Heritage Food is also good. Siaram Silk Mills is the another good stock. These four stocks looking good to me for the Diwali to Diwali. That is why I share this to start 4 stocks with all of you for the Diwali bumper analysis. And this education, this is the analysis for educational purpose, Diwali to Diwali. And happy Diwali to all of you. Hope you all stay healthy and make a good wealth from this stock market and good trade. Wish you a good trade through this year to all of you, my friends. And again, happy Diwali to all of you, my friends. Thanking you. Thanking you, my friends.